my name is Puja Bangadkar. I am from Nagpur. I have completed my graduation Bachelor of Engineering from Nagpur University. After my graduation, I was searching for a job. Then I get to know about the Evision Technoserve company from my friend. I take internship from Evision's company. It is an IT-based company and consultancy company. It helps me to improve my knowledge about the IT company. Because of Evision Technoserve, I learn lots of things about CCNA networking and virtualization, Windows administration, and are all the mentors and the tutors are very helpful for growing to IT company. They helps us to learn lots of things. So now I have selected in the Orient Technologies company. In this company I am getting the package of 3 lakhs per annum. So I want to thank you to Evision company to give me this knowledge and to grow up me in IT company. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.